Okay, I'm gonna try to make a video of this old international harvester from 1939. I brought this to Denmark from the US, from Canton in Pennsylvania. It arrived on the 23rd here in Denmark. It cannot start because it's got a dead battery, so I had to order a new battery for it, and it arrived today. So we're gonna try to fit the new battery and see if I can get the car started. I'm unsure if I have to remove any more of the floor, but I'm gonna try to see if I can lift the battery up this small hole. And sorry for my English, but I'm from Denmark. Okay, I have removed the wires, and I hope I was able to remove the battery just through this small hole in the floor, but I'm not sure. I have to look on the underside of the car to see if I can remove one screw down there. I don't think I'll be able to film that because there's not enough light. Okay, I wasn't able to lift the battery, but I could actually drop it from underneath the car, so it wasn't that bad. I didn't bring the new battery, so I have to go and get that, and then I'll see if I can lift the battery up from the underside of the car and get it all fixed while laying down there, but I'll keep my fingers crossed. Okay, I got the battery now, but it's much smaller. The physical size is much smaller than the original one. So I'm gonna try to fit it, but I have to maybe order a new battery, so I'll be able to fix the battery so it won't wobble around. But for now, I'll just drop the battery in and see if I can start it. It's a 6 volt 80 amp battery, so I'm actually unsure if that's enough, but there's no label on the old battery, so I wasn't able to see how many amps I should order. It looks like there has been a label there once, but it's gone now. But I'll keep my fingers crossed. I'll see if I can fit you in the car so you can see the process of mounting the battery. This is the opposite of the ground cable, and all the wires are exposed, so I should probably replace that wire. But for now, I'm just gonna give it some tape, so I'm sure we're not gonna make a shortcut. Okay, I got the battery mounted, and as you can see, it's just way too small, so I have to make some adjustments or buy a new battery. I tried with the old battery yesterday. I tried to charge the old battery yesterday, but it wouldn't charge. But I could turn on some lights here, and this one was for nice. But this is where the funny part begins for me, because I actually don't have the slightest idea on how to start this truck. I can only turn the key one position. So I guess that's ignition on. And I guess that maybe that one or this one down here would be for the starter. Yeah, but to be honest, I don't know. Maybe the one in the middle. I will be able to see that. There we got the starter and the wire. It's going thing up there. Could it be for that? Do we get down here? Yeah, no, that. I just have to try. Okay, let's try. I guess it's that one. Put the key in the on position, the clutch all the way down, neutral, handbrake. Okay, let's try. Hey! Is the starter supposed to run so slow? Maybe it needs some choke. Is it that one? Let's go check. So it must be this one. Yeah, probably is. Okay guys, I have an update for you. I tried to start it after I changed the battery, but as you heard, the starter was turning very slow. So it only took a couple of tries until the battery was dead. So I charged the battery and tried again, and it was the same. And my patience isn't that good, so I didn't want to record that, but I took off all the cables from the starter and the starter relay and at the battery and cleaned everything. And I know I should have done that from the beginning, but I have done it now. And then I would check if the starter was spinning faster. And the first time I tried, the car just started. The first time I pushed the starter. But I still want to show you. So let's go. So this is actually the second time I'm gonna start it. Neutral, the clutch, the key, a bit of choke, and then the pedal down here. I think it's missing a cylinder or two, maybe a bad spark plug or a wire. I don't know. I've cleaned all the spark plugs and they actually looked almost new. So maybe a bad wire or connection at the distributor. I'll have to check that. But the car is starting and I just tried the gears. Everything is working. So let me know if you want to see more of this. I have some plans for the truck. First of all, I'm gonna clean it outside and inside, and I have to figure out with the battery, because it's too small, how to fix that. And I want to do something about the truck bed. I'm unsure what I'm gonna do about it, but I'm gonna do something. And I think I'm gonna paint the engine and the horn and some of the parts, so it's gonna look nice again. But if you want to see more, or I should stop making these videos. Okay, thank you.